ko alam ano yung painting na ito. Juan Luna, historian ako, pero parang hindi ko pa na-encounter to. May mga chismis na parang nawala na siya sa Europe daw.
Parang legend, no, na nawawala, meron daw. Pero no one knows where it is. And that you have to find it.
So, kumalat yon, naging kilala yung Juan Luna, at nakatulong yon kung paano tayo nabuo bilang isang bansa.
It was really very inspiring because remember Juan Luna was also part of the Ilustrados and they were the ones who instigated our desire for freedom.
We have to learn from his mistakes. How do you deal with doubtfall? How do you deal with frustration? How do you deal with personal crisis? I-recognize natin yung mali, pero ibigay natin kay Juan Luna yung tamang lugar niya sa ating kasaysayan.